The January events were a series of violent confrontations between the civilian population in Lithuania, supporting independence, and the Soviet armed forces. The events took place between 11 and 13 January 1991, after the restoration of independence by Lithuania. As a result of the Soviet military actions, 14 civilians were killed and over 140 were injured. 13 January, sometimes referred to as Bloody Sunday, was the most violent day. The events were primarily centered in the capital city Vilnius, but Soviet military activity and confrontations occurred elsewhere in the country, including Alytus, Šiauliai, Varėna and Kaunas. January 13 is the Day of the Defenders of Freedom in Lithuania, and it is officially observed as a commemorative day. The Baltic states, including Lithuania, were forcibly annexed by the Soviet Union in 1940. This move was never recognized by Western powers. The Republic of Lithuania declared independence from the Soviet Union on 11 March 1990 and thereafter underwent a difficult period of emergence. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.